Hey everybody, welcome back. We are the Hearing and Balance Doctors. We are so excited to be with you. I'm Dr. Luekenga. This is my partner, Dr. Whitaker. We have some really good news. Over the weekend, I was able to go out to dinner with my in-laws and we were able to see some changes. People are now coming back out and they want to eat, they want to go out to restaurants, and it's really fun out there.
We're starting to venture back into social settings. This is really exciting. We want to give a few tips today on how to hear at your best as you're getting back out into these noisy environments.
You know, this really applies to all of us. I found myself, and I've been monitored. You've been watching my hearing, Dr. Whitaker. I've got normal hearing. But in these environments with more people, we're starting to remember it's noisy out there. And so this doesn't just apply to people with hearing loss, it applies probably to all of us. The number one rule is if you can choose a place to sit, probably don't choose the middle of the restaurant. It seems to gang up on you there. If you can get around kind of on a wall, even better than a wall would be a wall with a booth. Kind of gives you your intimate setting, keeps the sound pressure right in that area. And of course the wall is nice because it doesn't really compete. You don't have other sounds coming at you with full intensity. You just have some of the refractions and things like that coming off the wall. So a booth, not in the middle of the restaurant, but maybe closer to the edges is a great idea. Obviously lighting's a big deal because it doesn't involve your hearing, but it does involve how much information you can get from the person you're with.
That's right. And if you can control the time of day when you go out, boy, the busy times, it's obviously going to be louder. If you can do maybe a 4 o'clock dinner.
Or 3.
3?
Yeah.
It's going to be a lot less noisy in the restaurant.
Much better than a 6, 7, or 8. Yep.
And I wanted to talk a little bit too about some things that hearing aid users can do to succeed in these background noise. Hearing aids often have the capability of going into a restaurant program. Mm-hmm. In fact, Dr. Luekenga and I almost always give our patients a restaurant program. And it can be accessed usually by a button or sometimes by a remote control. But you go into this restaurant program and it shuts off the back microphones. It focuses the hearing aids in more of a beam in front of you and allows you to really zero in on the voice that you want to hear. Yep. They even make cool accessories, little microphones, a little companion mic that someone else can wear, and it can broadcast directly to your hearing aids. Really helps when you're in background noise.
Right. One of the things we're talking about here is really trying to get the desirable signal up and the noise floor down. So the directional mic setting or that restaurant mode that allows you to hear in front, or the companion mic, these are great ideas.
If you'd like more tips and tricks, we'd love to discuss them with you. Give us a call, come by and see us.